Whenever I hear somebody's experience about meditation, I feel very, very happy. It gives me immense happiness. Yes, one more master has come into meditation. There are 8 billion human beings on the earth planet. All these 8 billion human beings must become Buddhas, must come into meditation. That is our goal. And I will see that it is happening. My dear friends, everything is energy. Matter is energy. Mind is energy. Body is energy. Whole creation is energy. Consciousness is energy. Everything is energy. So, what is meditation? What is spirituality? It is energy management. When you manage your money properly, you become a rich person. But when you manage your energy properly, you become a wise person. If you waste your money, you will become a poor person. If you waste your energy, you will become a foolish person. All spirituality is management of energy. When you talk, you are expending energy. When you move your hand, you are moving energy. You are expending energy. When you think a thought, you are expending energy. When you look something, you are expending energy. When you are expending energy, returns should be there. Work should be done. Progressive work should be done. Some result should be there. But if you talk unnecessarily, we are wasting our energy, but no work is getting done. If you are simply moving this hand like this, we are wasting our energy and no work is being done. If you are learning dance, Bharatanatyam, then if you are moving hands, you are learning some art. But if you simply move your hand, you are wasting your energy. If you indulge in other people's activities, what others are doing in their house, you are wasting your energy. When you waste your energy, then problems will come. All kinds of problems. But when you enhance your energy, all problems will go away. For me, spirituality is energy management. My dear friends, so remember this point. You cannot waste your energy and still be a wise person. No. You will remain a fool if you keep on wasting your energy. And at the end of the lifetime, you will regret everything. I wasted my lifetime. But if you don't waste your energy, every second you are conserving your energy or maximizing your energy, then at the end of lifetime, you are a wisest person. You are a Socrates, you are a Buddha, you are a Mahavir, you are a Sri Kartikeyanji, because he always utilizes his time, which is energy management. Not wasting one's energy, not wasting one's time. 24 hours are there per day. How much are we utilizing properly? For the past 40 years, I have never wasted a single moment in my life. I have been utilizing my life, every second, for my own progress. Everybody else's progress depends upon my progress. If I progress, everybody else will progress. If I don't progress, they are to be, they are not going to be benefited. So my progress is crucial to the whole society's progress. I have to utilize my time properly. I never wasted time. So my dear friends, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು PMC ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and give your experiences for PMC. Record your experiences so that the whole world will know your experiences.